the Daniel fast, fasting. Today, we're going to talk about the Daniel fast, fasting, Daniel fast food list, Daniel fast snacks, meal, Daniel fast ideas, all that and more. Stay tuned.
Hey guys, I'm 4 days into a Daniel fast, and so I thought I just might share some of my experience. If you don't know what a Daniel fast is, you can eat fruits and vegetables, nuts and seeds, and grains, and you drink only water. You can't have any artificial sweetener or anything like that. So I did a fast back in December at the end of 2020. It was really good for me spiritually, so I wanted to do another fast, but that one was straight water. I didn't have anything except water, and that was very difficult, and I think I went 6 or 7 days. But a Daniel fast is typically 10 days to 21 days. I haven't figured out or decided how long I'm going to go yet, but I'm 4 days in, and it's actually pretty easy because since I eat a lower level carbs throughout the day, I try to keep my carbs below 50. But with this, I can eat fruits and vegetables and nuts. And so my carbs have been over, but I feel like I've been eating really good because I can eat grains like whole grain rice. So when you have all those vegetables, grains, the hardest thing for me has been not eating cheese and meats. You know, I like cheese and meat because that's what I eat since I don't eat a lot of carbs. I can't eat eggs. Bread hasn't been hard because I usually don't eat bread anyway. Pasta's not hard because I don't eat pasta anyway. The most difficult thing of all has been caffeine and Mountain Dew. I like caffeine, so I drink Mountain Dew, I drink these little coffee drinks, and so that's been the hardest part for me. But we're 4 days in, and I'm going to start sharing my experience. So today's day 4. I'll share a little bit on day 5, day 6, and we'll just see how it goes.
All right, guys, I just got done with a run and went about 1.5 miles, but I'm 5 days into the fast, and what I've noticed is I have a lot more energy. And I wasn't doing this fast to lose weight, but I stepped on the scales today, and it's been 5 days since I started, and I've lost 5 pounds. So that's a pound a day. I don't know if that'll hold for the whole time, but anyway, that's your day 5 update. See you tomorrow. I am 7 days into the fast. I just got home from work, and today's update is about the exact opposite of the update from a few days ago. I am extremely tired. I've been dragging all day long today. I'm still not hungry. I feel like I get to eat a lot more when I'm eating like this than when I'm limiting my carbs. And I'm still taking my weight management supplement, and that curbs my appetite. But I don't know. I'm just really tired. I haven't had any spiritual awakening or anything like that so far. But I do feel a lot more at peace, and typically I have more energy. I'm just very tired today, so I don't know why. But that's your 7-day update. I'll see you on the next one. So today is day 10 of the fast, and I wasn't sure if I was going to go for 10 or 21 days, so I think I'm going to just keep going and go for 21 days. So I'll keep giving you updates, and we'll see how it goes. Okay, so it's day 11 of the fast, and one thing that I've noticed is I do fine all day long until it's about 8:40 right now. At 8 o'clock, my energy levels just plummet, and it wasn't like that in the beginning, and it's not like that during the day, but towards the end of the day it starts happening. And I'm a night owl usually, so I can usually stay up till 11, 12, 1 o'clock in the morning, no problem. So I'm kind of having to adjust to that, and I don't know if it's just because I'm 10 days in, 11 days in, and I'm starting to use up some of my energy supplies, but that's where I'm at right now. I'm still reading scripture every day and praying, but I just kind of feel like I'm going through the motions, so I'm hoping for a breakthrough in the next 10 days. That'll take me to 21 days. So anyway, that's where I'm at. I'll see you tomorrow. So it's day 12, and I did have a breakthrough. I woke up at 5 o'clock this morning, and no, I wasn't having a vision. I had a horrible, severe case of POBS. If you don't know what POBS is, ask me about it in the comments. I'll be happy to tell you, but I'll give you a hint. It probably came from having too much fiber in my diet. Now to top it off, on day 12 we had a huge birthday party. Had a bunch of family over. Bacon wrap stuff I couldn't eat. Tortillas I couldn't eat. Those chocolate things I couldn't eat. Now here's the stuff I could eat. Some of this fruit. I couldn't eat that yogurt to go with the fruit, but I could eat the vegetables. I couldn't eat these things. And I forget what those were, but they were super good. I mean, at the last time we had these things. And then this is dip to go with the chips and crackers and spinach, artichoke dip, and all that kind of stuff. So I was suffering through this whole thing, but I was not
going to allow myself to eat this stuff because it's not part of my Daniel fast. And if you go on a Daniel fast, now those are my favorite. Those are sugar pecans that my daughter makes. And it was just brutal. This whole thing was brutal. So, if you go on a Daniel fast, just know that you might have a spread like this during a birthday party or a holiday or something like that. And that's when your faith really gets tested.
All right, so day 13, I woke up this morning and decided to go on a jog, and I thought I was going to jog about a mile, and I just got done jogging 5 miles without stopping. Every time I came around a loop for a mile, I was like, well, I got some more in me, so I kept on going. I got to be honest, I have never in my life jogged 5 miles. If I do 3, that's a good day for me. So 5 without stopping is absolutely incredible. So I don't know if the fruit and vegetables from the Daniel fast are just giving my body what it needs to keep going, or if I just had a good day, but it was awesome. See you tomorrow.
All right, day 14 is a good day. Today I just got a check that I wasn't expecting. It is my first Amazon affiliate check. So let me show it to you real quick. If I can flip my screen here. Oh, I really can't. So let me just hold it up. Oh yeah, boom. 127.37. Sweet. And I wasn't expecting that, so that's really exciting. It's not a lot of money, but I am starting to build up my Amazon affiliate account, so I would like to eventually get that to a few $100s a month, or maybe $1,000 a month. Anyway, that was exciting. I thought I'd share that with you. I'll see you tomorrow. All right, it's day 16, and today was awesome because I actually had a situation where there was a fractured relationship in my life. It was a very close family member, and I've just been praying the last few days that God would restore that, and that person called me today, and it has been restored, and so that is a very good thing. So anyway, 16 days in, and I could see God moving in my life and working in the background. And it's, if you haven't done this Daniel fast, I suggest trying it. It's pretty easy if it's the first fast you've ever done, because you get to eat quite a bit as long as you stay within the parameters of the fast. And I'll see you tomorrow.
Wow, guys, day 20, I just hit another record. I ran 6 miles. Now, I didn't run it all, but I ran 95% of it, so I only walked for a little bit. But I can see why David and his men were stronger after the 21-day fast, because when you put the right stuff in your body, it's amazing. I didn't even know my body could do this kind of stuff. So I'll see you tomorrow, and maybe I'll make a little short clip on what I eat during this Daniel fast. Okay, forget my 6-mile record. After I videoed that last clip, I ran another mile. So 7 miles is the record. I'm telling you, put good stuff in your body and see what happens. I might just stick with this after my 21 days is up.
Okay, so before I get to the most exciting thing that happened during this Daniel fast, I want to take a minute and go through some of the stuff that I ate while I was on this fast. So if you decide you want to do the Daniel fast, these are some of the good things that I found. You can get plantains. You just got to make sure that they don't have anything extra added to them. And then there's fruit, like these were some pineapples, the Bear product line. I think these were strawberries and bananas. And then I liked almonds, so the smokehouse almonds don't have any sugar additives. There's another brand of plantains, which I really liked the plantains. They kind of gave you that salty feeling, more bananas. And again, these are Bear. I think they're that brand is maybe freeze-dried. And then you can find peanuts, cashews, all kinds of things. You can't have the honey roasted, and you can't have that kind of stuff. Celery I used with hummus. Celery and carrots with hummus is pretty good, and you can have the hummus. Any kind of fruits. So I like tangerines. I like the halo oranges. You can just peel them and eat them, and they're really good. Bananas, of course, are a good thing to have. And then, of course, you have to have water, bottled water, and lots of water. You do not want to get dehydrated, so make sure that you're drinking a lot. And, you'll be all right without the caffeine. If you're anything like me, you may have a caffeine headache for a few days. If I could do this all over again, I would have tapered off my caffeine before I started, so that it didn't get such a big headache. One of my favorite fruits is grapes, the purple seedless grapes. is something that I ate a lot of. Blueberries are really good on this Daniel fast. Blackberries are very good. Of course, more grapes. Strawberries. More strawberries. Apples. I prefer the Honeycrisp apples. They're a little bit sweeter. But yeah, I'm not a big apple fan, but I did have a few apples. It just mixes it up a little bit. And then here's the hummus. Roasted red pepper hummus was my favorite to eat with fruits or with vegetables. And I like to put carrots and celery to go with that hummus. And then this is the hummus I actually mixed with oil and put it in my salad just to add a little bit of extra flavor, because the only salad dressing that I could use was basically just oil. And maybe I'll show you that. Cashews, obviously you can have pecans, and I added pecans to my salad. And of course there's more smokehouse almonds. So I stocked everything with bunches of stuff that I could eat. And this is all of it. Just to give you an idea, there's obviously more stuff that you can eat on this Daniel fast, but I just wanted to give you an idea of some of the things that were my favorites and some of the things that I like to munch out on. And here's more bananas, but one of my favorite things to do is to put all this fruit together and make a fruit salad like this. So that is one healthy and good snack. And then, of course, you can have oats if they're whole grain. So if you like oatmeal or anything like that, that's something that you can eat in the mornings. Just see how it says ingredients, whole grain oats, and that's it. So that's what you have to be careful of. And then with the Ninja, you can make potatoes, because potatoes come straight from the ground. You just have to be careful of what you put on it. So I'm going to show you real quick. This is the Newman's oil that you can use on your salad. It's a classic oil and vinegar. I found that if you open up the potato and you add some Newman's oil to it and some salt and pepper, it makes it a very good flavor. I mean, it's not like sour cream and cheese and all that kind of stuff, but it's still pretty good. So there really is a lot that you can eat on the Daniel fast, and to be honest, I kind of felt bad because I didn't really feel like I was fasting compared to traditional fasts that I've done. I've done water fasts and things like that. So that's something that if you think you're going to have a hard time fasting, like I said, for me, the eating wasn't the problem. There's plenty that you can eat. And then the water for me, and cutting out all the other flavored waters, sodas, diet sodas, that kind of stuff was the hardest thing for me. Even the salads, you can make some really robust salads, with cucumbers, carrots, all kinds of stuff. And if you use that oil and vinegar, it doesn't add a lot of flavor, but you can add some salt and pepper. You can add some of that black bean hummus is what I've added to my salads. Then some walnuts and spinach and stuff too, and it really makes the salad pop, and it's really pretty good. All right, so it's day 21. It's the last day of my fast, and I just wanted to show you. This showed up, which was awesome. That check that I got before was great. This came in from my affiliate income, so that was a great way to end this fast, and I'm really excited to see what the Lord has in store for me this year. Fasting is a spiritual discipline, and the Bible tells us that when we fast, we should do certain things. So if you've never fasted, I encourage you to give it a try. The Daniel fast is a great fast to start with. Make sure you check out one of our other videos. Thank you for watching, and God bless.